Hey everyone! Welcome back to HTVRONT's channel. Halloween is just around the corner. And today I've got some super fun and easy DIY decoration ideas to share with you. Whether you're aiming for spooky vibes or just want to add a little Halloween flair to your space, you're in the right place. So let's get crafty. Here's what we'll be using today. A wooden board that we're going to decorate with the HTVRONT MINI Heat Press 3, a Teflon sheet, some weeding tools, Halloween colored HTV, and of course, a little glitter HTV to add that extra sparkle. To start, I've covered my board with a layer of black adhesive vinyl. Not only does it give us a great base to build on, but you can also peel it off whenever you want and reuse the board. Alright, first thing, let's weeding our design. And here's a little pro tip: when you're cutting out your design, it's always smart to cut a few extra pieces just in case you make a mistake. It'll save you some time and frustration. Plus, who doesn't love a little glitter HTV to make things more fun and interesting? Next, let's place everything where we want it. Make sure your design is lined up perfectly. And then we'll get to heat pressing. For HTV, set your heat press to 305 degrees Fahrenheit and press for 10 seconds. Remember to use a Teflon sheet and do not let the heating plate directly touch your material. Wait until the temperature cools down before tearing. I used silver glitter HTV to make some bats and skulls to fill in the blank spots on the board. We also need some yellow leaves to bring in that Halloween vibe. Wait until the temperature cools down before tearing. Besides HTV, you can also use adhesive vinyl for extra decoration. And there you have it. Our simple yet super cute Halloween wooden board decoration is complete. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to make Halloween decorations with cardboard, so be sure to stick around for that. See you in the next one.